Yes, I'm right here in the junction of Arleta and Branford, and there's a man brandishing a gun. He's walking down the street on Arleta.
Is he white, black, Hispanic, or Asian?
He's a Hispanic with a green shirt and black pants, I think.
And you saw the gun?
Yes, he was pointing it to all of us driving.
He was pointing it to you guys driving?
Yes, he was pointing it towards the drivers. He was just taking it out, and then he just pointed it towards all the cars.
911, what's the emergency?
Yeah, I would like to report a man on Branford in Arleta. He's waving a gun to people that are crossing the street. Don't know if it's real or not, but he has a gun in his waist.
Okay, what did he look like? Was he black, white, Hispanic, or Asian?
Hispanic, green shirt, khaki pants, black shoes,
Okay.
probably mid-40s.
And when he was waving this gun, was he waving it in the air, or was he waving it towards passing vehicles?
He was passing vehicles and people in the bus stop. The people in the bus stop just ran, but I saw it. So he's just going down Branford, down south on Branford Street.
Mission Unit 30W suspect there now, Arleta and Branford, walking down Arleta. Suspect is a male Hispanic, green shirt, black pants. Suspect was seen pointing a gun towards passing vehicles. Let's go through incident 3467 and RD 1969.
Mission Unit 54, ADW suspect in Arleta and Branford. Additional PR call back. Advice suspect was last seen Arleta and Osborne. Additional incident 3.
Okay, I verify your watch.
It's gotta be him, right?
That's something in his hand.
He does, you see it?
Yeah.
Okay, don't get too close. You can stay, come on, you can stay, come on.
Okay,
He has a gun. He has a gun.
Okay, watch out. You remember?
He has a gun.
Mission units assigned Arleta and Branford.
Hey, stop!
Get
on the floor!
Khaki pants, pointing a gun.
Go forward, go forward.
Suspect was last seen on
Put your gun down!
Additional
He's pointing.
34.
I know he's pointing.
Roger. 1934, 1934, your exact location.
Air 16, we're going to be overhead. I got that suspect wearing a green shirt, black pants, walking southbound on the west sidewalk of Arleta, going towards the shelter. Fire. Overhead, I got that suspect wearing a green shirt, black pants, walking southbound on the west sidewalk of Arleta towards the shelter.
X41, we're going to have shots fired.
Hold right here. Hold. Hey, I'm going.
Article on the right.
Okay, I'm going up on the right. I got it.
Get the weapon.
Let me see. Where's he shot at?
Yeah, he shot up too high for a tourniquet. Yeah, he shot up on the hip. Yeah.
After taking Sandoval into custody, the officers rendered medical aid to him until paramedics arrived. Los Angeles Fire Department paramedics responded and transported Sandoval to a local hospital to be treated for the gunshot wound he sustained as a result of the officer-involved shooting. Investigators recovered a black BB gun that Sandoval was armed with at scene and booked it as evidence. The BB gun resembled a semi-automatic handgun. Sandoval was eventually cleared for booking on August 15, 2025, and arrested for resisting an executive officer. On August 19, 2025, the Los Angeles County District Attorney's Office filed the following charges against Sandoval: 1 count of brandishing a firearm at a police officer and 2 counts of resisting an executive